Good morning and welcome to Ms. Cooper's 7th grade keyboarding class. Today, lesson 4, creating a graph with the information that we created from our Excel spreadsheet on lesson 3. First thing you need to do is you need to open up your existing Excel spreadsheet that we created where we did our COVID-19 3 states. We had our subtitles and our titles. First thing we want to do, we want to go to the Insert tab. Scroll down and select Chart. Once you do that, highlight the data that you want to go on your graph. There are different graphs: pie graph, straight graphs, circle graphs, spider graphs. I chose to use this simple line graph. Once you highlight your information, you've selected Insert, Chart, select Enter. Once you select Enter, my data is populated in the chart with all of my information that I used in my Excel spreadsheet. I know it sounds overwhelming and complicated, but it's pretty easy if you practice. Again, for additional lessons and information in various subjects, you can visit Webster Parish School Board, our resource portal. You can also go to YouTube, Charger Strong, and visit various teachers' lessons there as well. If you have any questions or concerns, you can contact me and Renee.Cooper at websterpsb.org. Have a great and safe summer.